Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and to another video. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for visiting. I hope you like this video enough to subscribe and share. And to all my former subscribers, thank you for constantly coming on here to see what I put out. I really appreciate you sticking out with me. One thing I would like to mention is that the content on this channel is still being diversified, so do not be surprised if you come on here one time and see me talk about one thing and visit on another day and see me talk about something entirely different. I want to assure you that you're going to be seeing a variety of content here because we're still figuring things out, and I hope you're patient enough to figure things out with me. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's business. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I shot portraits at home with the most gorgeous model. And to achieve these shots, we used a 2-light setup, 1 key light and 1 strip light, and this was the camera that was used, the Sony A7iii camera paired with the Sony 90mm f2.8 macro lens. I definitely would want to say that this lens is perfect for portraiture because of its focal length, and it's one of the best lenses out there. So if you want to ever experiment with portraits, definitely recommend this lens. You can never go wrong with it. I did the beautiful model's makeup and I also did her styling as well, and I hope that you enjoyed these looks and the shots taken as much as I did. For the first look, I photographed the model in the outfit that she came in just to begin the process. And for the second look, we had the model wear this really nice black blazer, very classy and very modern, and we gave it that oomph with this hat, really nice. And for this third look, we went for a really casual look, this sweatshirt and this shorts, really nice, really nice. Just wanted a variety of looks in one shoot. And to end it all, we paid homage to our homeland. We thought to photograph the model in an all-African look. This is the kente material, originated from the Ghanaians, the Ashanti Kingdom. I don't know, is that right? I think it's the Ashanti Kingdom. And we just thought to do something creative. Had this model wrapped around in this really soft, nice brown scarf.
these high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe?
Our beautiful model is at Sony A7iii on Instagram, so guys, please do well to check her out. She is the best. And to my wonderful videographer, I want to say thank you for always coming through. Hopefully he would introduce himself to you guys someday soon. We'll see. Thank you guys for watching, and please do not forget to let me know in the comment section what look was your favorite, what shot you like best, what you would want to see next. Would you want me to take more portraits? Would you want me to do something different? I don't know. You tell me. I'm open to suggestions and here to make sure you guys get the exciting content that you want to see. I definitely also want to say that you guys shouldn't forget to do the 3 most important things, which is like this video, subscribe, and share. Thank you guys for coming on here, and looking forward to seeing you in the next video.